For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
Bollywood is all upside down ever since rising actor Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead at his apartment in Bandra. Too many people have been dragged into the raging controversy. Too many dark secrets of many biggies from the industry have been revealed. In the latest, ace filmmaker Anubhav Sinha, who made some amazing films like Article 15, Malk and Thappad, announced his resignation from Bollywood. The filmmaker, who is tired of all the drama that's revolving around Bollywood, has decided to get out of the world of glitz and glamour.
Enough, I hereby resign from Bollywood, whatever that means.
That's not it. Anubhav also changed his Twitter name by adding "Not Bollywood." And guess who backed the filmmaker in his decision? Filmmakers Hansal Mehta and Sudhir Mishra took no time to reply to Anubhav's tweet. Sudhir Mishra in his reply asked, "What's Bollywood?"
What's Bollywood? I came to be part of cinema inspired by Satyajit Ray, Raj Kapoor, Guru Dutt, Ritwik Ghatak, Bimal Roy, Mrinal Sen, Rishikesh Mukherjee, Kasif, Vijay Anand, Javed Akhtar, Tapan Sinha, Gulzar, Shekhar Kapoor, Ketan Mehta, Bharathan and Arvindan, etc. That's where I'll always be.
Soon we had Hansal Mehta replying, "Bollywood never existed in the first place."
Chhod diya, it never existed in the first place.
You must be wondering as to what they mean by resigning from Bollywood. It is essentially distancing oneself from the people, the drama, and the controversies that the industry is surrounded by. Sudhir Mishra in another tweet said, "Let's go back to Indian cinema and Indian storytelling."
Bollywood chodo, let's go towards Indian cinema, Indian storytelling.
The filmmaker meant to go back to the times when movie meant storytelling, while actors were all about expressing emotions. While these filmmakers were expressing their thoughts and reasons for wanting to leave Bollywood, news portals were busy making headlines. One particular headline provoked Anubhav Sinha for introducing him as Taapsee Pannu's Thappad director.
I knew the headline, and that's how you know me as Taapsee Pannu's Thappad's director. You morons.
Actor Taapsee Pannu too joined the mix and replied to Anubhav's headline tweet. And that's why some actors start believing they are bigger than the films. Well, the members of film industry have been active quite evidently on social media these days, the only difference being every tweet is becoming news. However, we hope to see Anubhav Sinha's movies in the future. After all, it's the stories that matter.